stretchy tablecloths. And in this first video today, Paul's going to show you how to set up your art template for one of our stretch table covers. So let's go and take a look.
Hey guys, Paul here from LogoClothz.com. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to use our template if setting up your art file for a Spandex table cover. Here I've got a template open for a 6-foot table cover. You can see it comes in two parts. This one part would be for the back panel. This part will include the sides, the top, as well as the front. During production, these panels are sewn together to make your table cover. Real quick, I'd like to show you some instructions to follow if using our template. Number 1, do not change the size of the template. Number 2, make sure you're working in CMYK. This will give you better control of how the colors are actually printed. Number 3, do not flatten the template. Number 4, make sure your design elements are placed on the artwork layer within your art file. That's over here to the right. Number 5, convert all fonts to outlines or curves. We did a quick video on this the other day. The process is real easy. Number 6, all critical elements must be within the guide box. That's the blue lines you see here running inside of the template. Number 7, non-critical elements, those you could have bleeding up to the edge, which would be the black line. Number 8, any image which is not in a vector format, make sure they're at least 150 dpi at full size, and make sure to embed them within the file. Now real quick, I'll show you what I would do if setting up this template for a printed job. I'm going to go ahead and select the two panels and color them black. And when using black, you want to make sure you're using 100% K. If I had any other value here, such as 4 for cyan, maybe 15 for yellow, the color could come out slightly blue or green. So again, when using any blacks within your art file, make sure they are 100% K. This will give you the richest black possible. Now I've got an art board open already, so I'm going to grab some design elements which are ready to go. And this I want to put on the front panel of the table cover. So I want to make sure I'm on my artwork layer, and I'll just paste the logo there. Now I want to make sure that the logo is centered here on the front panel. So what I'll do is I'll grab the back panel and duplicate it. This way I can treat it as its own separate element. Just makes it a bit easier to center the logo here. Now I'm going to check the size of the logo. It's at 16 inches tall. I'm going to go ahead and bump that up to 18 inches. When printing on Spandex, you have to anticipate that the logo is going to stretch. For this reason, I suggest just keeping the logo about 18 to 20 inches tall. Now if I want to print the same thing on the back panel, all I need to do is duplicate it and then rotate it so it's in the proper position when people are facing it. With our Spandex table covers, you're able to print the entire cover. So if you want to print the logo on the side, just copy and paste it there as well and put it in the proper position. To center the logo on the sides, what I like to do is essentially draw a panel which represents just the side panel and use that to center the logo. For the sides, I like to raise the logo up a bit so that people are not looking at the floor when viewing it. Now I can just copy and paste this for the right side, and they'll both be printed exactly the same. Now for the top, let's say I want a different color just on the top of the table. The sides and the front I want to keep black. All you need to do is draw the rectangle and fill it in however you want it printed. With our spandex table covers, you can print any solid coated Pantone value. You do not have to stick to our 20 in-stock colors. You can also print in gradients, fine detail, photographic images. You can go absolutely wild when designing these covers. So I hope you guys have learned something. Thanks for your time, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.